Hello guys, welcome to this edition of our countryside tour of China. Today I'll be bringing you guys videos from the mountain top where you will see some scenes from the countryside of China. You will see some wind turbines, right? And we are going to see the sea, and you guys will see about aquaculture here in China. So come with me in this edition of a tour of a countryside, and we will have fun. So these are my friends up there, people in the team that we came together with. Guys, look at this very beautiful ancient house. I won't call it house, maybe just a spot where people can just gazebo, people can just sit around and maybe have some meals or rest, maybe before going up the mountain or after they come down, because the mountain actually looks very steep. I don't think my camera is doing justice to this very mountain to show you how steep it is, but let's go on and see what it looks like. Hello guys, so you can see here, this is the name of the location where I am today. This is written in Chinese character, but in translation it says that this is the entrance to the strange stone peak. So because the mountain here is full of stones, it's just only stones, and then they say it's strange stone peak. So I gotta go up there to find out why it is named the strange stone peak. So all right, thank you guys. So let's come with me. So guys, in Chinese also here can also be named Xi Guanding. Okay, that's the name in Chinese, Xi Guanding. Okay, that's the sea there, but I will get you guys a clearer picture of it as I embark on this very edition. Okay, that's a small temple. I guess it's a Buddhist temple. Guys, I've been climbing for the past 10 minutes. The mountain is so steep. It's all full of stones and caves. Oh my goodness. I don't feel like going into any of them. Because there are some flies, some small insects here and there. So, and that's the sea. Today is quite cloudy, so it's not very easy to see the sea clearly, but if you guys look from this direction where my camera is facing right now, you will see the sea there. So guys, the more I climb, the more the sea appears. So see how far I've gone already? All right, so let's keep moving. That's the peak right there. I'm not sure if I can get there, but I'm gonna do my best. Oh, it's not easy so far. Quite hectic. Come on, guys. So guys, this is where I am at this point. Yeah, it's step by step. I keep on going. Okay, this is a very interesting hiking. All right, so crack on with me. Hello. 你们小心 Be careful, okay? Yeah. Yes. Okay, 好了。
还是很远。
我们已经走了一半吗？还没有一半。We haven't gone halfway. 大概%多少？我们已经走了30。1/3. 1/3. We have just gone 1/3. 1/5. Okay. The girl said is 1/5. We have just done 1/5. The boys say we have just done 1/3. So the answer is that we haven't gone halfway. Okay, thank you. 你叫什么名字呢？
我新仔。
新仔。Wow. Okay, cool, guys. Take care. Be careful, okay? 下注小心，不要摔倒。
再停啊，再停啊。
Okay, guys. From time to time, during this hiking, you will see some spots. You can see it's a tent where you can buy some water. You can buy some water there. And in these spots, the good thing about it is that there is no one here selling this water. The prices are here. If you choose anyone, the most expensive one here is 6 yuan. As you guys can see, there is 6 yuan, and then the least one is 5 yuan. So if you buy any of this stuff, you just use your WeChat. It's an application like WhatsApp in the West. You scan this QR code and then you pay for what you bought here. No one is here to inspect you to make sure whether you paid or not, but mostly people will pay for it. That's how honest Chinese people are. Guys, I've been sweating from the steep climbing, but right now I'm heading back down. So I don't know if you guys can notice that the stairs has no rail. There's no rail to hold on. It's not 100% safe here. It's not super safe. So yeah, when you go hiking, you have to be careful. You got to be careful while doing this hiking. So you guys can see. Yeah, look behind me, guys. This will show you guys how high, how far I've gone. Yeah, it's winter here. It's about 5 degrees centigrade in terms of temperature, but see, I'm sweating. Wow, that's where I'm coming from. That's where I'm coming from. If you can see the stairs behind me, it's really very steep, and the one got to be careful. Any misstep will end up very fatal. All right, so look at this place, guys. Yeah, there's some ravines here and there. It's not safe. I would not recommend it. It's not safe here. All right, guys, these are my friends and partners and colleagues at the same time.
Hello.
Guys, say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
All right, yeah, so we are all together in this hiking.
Yes, we're
but
enjoying so much.
thank you. So let's keep on going down slowly, and
Okay.
please be careful. Yeah. So this is today's outing. Are we already in February or is it still January? I don't know today's date. Oh, today is 1st February.
Yeah.
So guys, this is 1st February 2023. So we are beginning the month with a kind of exercise, hiking. So we'll bring you guys more information as we continue on this trip. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. What are you doing?
直播吗
你的想不想在里面
？Hello。
Hello, so hi. It's Strange Stone Mountain. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you guys more activities and fun here in China. So subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, so you'll be notified whenever I posted something new. So let's do this together, guys. So guys, this is big wind turbine. It's really quite huge. It is for power supply. It's all over the mountain here, in every direction. So that's cool. So guys, for aquaculture farming, you guys can see from here, this is also part of the area that we saw from the mountain top. You can see here, those are many boats, small boats for fishermen, and you can see where they process some seafood that they caught from the sea. And all these, as far as you can see, are where they do cultured farming. Yeah, some of them they plant like clams, different kinds of seafood, seaweed, and the rest of them. So this town is very, very famous for their seafood, Lianjiang Town. So if you look very far across the water here, you can see the mountains over there with some wind turbines that supplies power to these towns and the places far from here. So it's a sustainable aquaculture. This is the town that we see from the mountain top. This place is called Chidachuan. It's a small town here in Lianjiang. How? This way? But also I want to see the...
But they don't want the focus on the screen too much.
Yeah. Come, let's see.
One of them.
Hello, hello.